One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've been running on dry, carrying more than you were meant to carry. I see a quiet river, and on the banks there are trees which are growing. And the Lord says, I'm bringing you into a place of renewal. I'm bringing you into a time of refreshment. For as you look to me, you are being restored. As you walk with me, I am the Lord who is lifting you up. You will be like a tree that is planted by streams of living water, bearing fruit in season. For I am the one who is bringing my peace into your heart. I am the one who is renewing you and strengthening you from the inside out. Trust in me that I am there by your side, the one who gives you my perfect peace, the one who abides with you, the one who brings my presence into every situation of your life. Don't be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the Lord who is restoring, the Lord who is healing, the Lord who is making new and whole. Look to me this day and receive my refreshment, for I am bringing my life-giving words to you, my words that bring healing, my words that bring restoration. What is felt unclear is beginning to shift. I see mountains which have been covered by the clouds, but now the sunlight is breaking through. The clouds are dispersing, and the snow-capped mountains are glistening in the light. And the Lord says, I am bringing greater clarity to you. Where once there has been confusion, where once things have been restless, my peace is coming, clarity is coming. Know that I am bringing my light into the circumstances of your life, turning situations around for good. For the light of my glory shines upon you, the light of my love fills you. I'm giving you new vision to see, giving you new understanding, so that you will see what I am doing and you will understand how I'm unfolding my plans in your life. Trust in my perfect timing. Trust that I am with you, for I am the one who is restoring and healing, the one who is unfolding my plan in your life. Do not hold back, but trust that I am with you, bringing greater clarity to your heart, bringing peace to your innermost being. The storms have made you question if the promise still stands. I see storm clouds, dark, heavy storm clouds, but in front of them I see a beautiful rainbow. And the Lord says, the promise was not meant for the easy days. Even in the storm, my light is shining, and my promises will become clear. For my promises are not fragile, they are secure. I do not give you my words just for the times when things are easy, but I give you my word as something to hold on to in the midst of the storm. My promises stand, my promises will come forth. I am your security. I am the one who brings my word to completion, for I am a covenant-keeping God. I am the Lord who is faithful and true. Have hope in me amidst the trials of life. Have hope in me amidst the storms, knowing that I am your anchor, that I am the one who keeps you secure. Look to me and remember my promises. Look to me and remember the words of life that I have spoken to you. For I am the Lord who is bringing my light, bringing new hope and purpose to you. You've been walking without clearly seeing where you're going. I see you standing at the top of a mountain, having reached the summit. And now you can see the pathway which is behind you. You can see the pathway which is before you. And the Lord says, I am giving you vision so that you will move forward with new confidence. For I am not leading you blindly. Look to me, for you are beginning to see things differently. I am walking with you hand in hand and step by step. You will know that I am the Lord who is faithful and true. For I have not brought you this far to abandon you, but I brought you this far to bring you into the promised land, to bring you into the fulfillment of my dreams for you. Do not hold back, but move forward in faith, step forward, trusting in me, knowing that I am the one who lights up the road before you, the one who is giving you greater vision, greater clarity. Trust in me that I am with you, the Lord who is making all new, the Lord who is bringing clarity to your heart. You thought that there was no clear way forward. I see a winding road through the hills and mountains, But the Lord says, I am clearing the way. I'm making it straight. Do not be afraid, but trust in me, that I'm guiding and I'm leading you exactly where you need to be. Do not be afraid of the twists and turns of life, but know that I am walking with you. I am the one who has gone ahead of you to prepare the ground, to clear the way. I am the way-making God, the Lord who clears the path for you. You will walk forward in peace. You will walk forward in security and safety, in the knowledge that I am with you, in the knowledge that I am the one who is turning all things around for good. Trust that I'm there with you. Trust that I'm opening the way for you. For I do not begin something simply to abandon it, but I bring it to completion. I am the Lord who is clearing the way, the Lord who is highlighting the path before you. You felt shut out, as if things are delayed and held back. But the Lord says, step forward, for the doors are opening. I see a bright yellow door, and I see it opening unexpectedly, and the Lord inviting you to step forward. For the Lord says, I am opening up the doors before you, doors of opportunity, doors of purpose. For that which I am calling you into, I have prepared for you. I will surprise you with my goodness. I will surprise you with my love, with the blessings that are coming in ways that were not expected. Don't hesitate when I open the door, but step forward trusting in me. Step forward trusting in my faithfulness to you. For I am the Lord who opens the doors, the one who clears the way. This is the time to step forward into the new, to step forward into the realities that I am opening up for you. Trust in me, for I am at work. I am the Lord who is opening the doors, the Lord who is clearing the way. There's been noise, confusion, and competing voices. But the Lord says, I am bringing you into a peaceful place, a place of tranquility and rest. I see a peaceful forest road leading you forward. And the Lord says, I bring you into a place of stillness, a place of peace, where you will hear more clearly my voice, where I will silence the lies that have been around you, the lies that have been trying to distract you, and I will lead you in my perfect peace. Trust that I am there with you, the Lord who is bringing you into the right place at the right time. I am the one who is walking with you, as a man walks with his friend. Trust in me that I am there listening to the things which are on your heart. For what is important to you is important to me. Take time in my presence, walking with me, being at peace, for I am the Lord who is your peace, walking forward step by step. You've been focused on what is lacking, but I'm bringing your attention to the new work that I am doing. I see a vibrant garden full of flowers, and the Lord says, I am bringing beauty into your life. I'm pouring out my grace upon you, for my grace is new each and every day. I am the one who sees your needs even before you're aware of them, the one who is bringing my provision, bringing my strength, bringing my peace. Look again and see the beauty of all that I am doing, the beauty that I'm bringing around, for I'm showing you my loving kindness. I'm revealing my love to you. Faithful I have been and faithful I will continue to be, for I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my hand. I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my spirit, bringing you into a place of beauty, a place of encounter, where you will see my goodness and you will know that I am the Lord. Things have felt stuck, delayed, as if you're stuck in a traffic jam and nothing is moving. But then I see the traffic begin to move. What was blocked is flowing freely and easily. And the Lord says, I'm unblocking the things which are before you. I'm bringing new movement again. Where things have been held back, they will begin to move freely. Do not hold on to the past. Do not look at the past delays, but look to me, for I'm bringing you into a place of breakthrough, a place of new momentum, as I remove the obstacles from your path, as I guide and as I lead you by my hand. Trust in me that I am there by your side, the Lord who is opening the way, the Lord who is clearing the path. For where things have been held back, a new release is coming, new movement forward is opening before you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.